Yeah, hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle of today. In today's newspaper on Saturday, yes, it's still Saturday, May the 14th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the Sudoku with three stars, and the binary, and it's time for the last puzzle of today, Tectonic with four stars and number 4553. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 11 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box. Always a 1. Can we see here the dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box cannot be a 1, so that box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Here also 1 and 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those two boxes. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple? Oh, I overlooked this dual box. Contains the 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes? No triple boxes. Only quadra box here. And they are quadra box. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 3. Can it be 3? So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. For example, the T shape we have here. Let me draw the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Then the following shape, how about the Z construction? Alright, when you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. Yeah. And that box has the same name as this box. Okay. Only one Z construction. Okay, then the following shape. How about this shape? Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. And this box has the same name as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the final shape, how about this shape? Draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Maximum is 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle you need to recognize those 5 figures or shapes, structures or construction. No, 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 no. I missed one. Yeah, overlooked this one. This is number 6, I believe. Yeah, this is number 6. Overlooked. Wow, we have the maximum of shapes. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Overlook this last one. Yes, maximum 6, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have all the figures in these puzzles that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes in this puzzle. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can it be 3? That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then let me see. Yeah. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 2. So 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. Well, we have a double 2 there. That means that box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here or there, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. We have a 1 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. No. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? That box, those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and this box is connected with that box. We also a 1. Let me think. Right. Interesting. 2, 1, 1. Can it be 5? Can it be 1? Can it be 3, 2, and 4? Alright. I'm thinking. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Thinking. These 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there, but also these 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. The other pair in this W area shape should be for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a quadra box here. That means this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. And this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 4. Alright. 1, 3, 4, 2, and the 5. Alright, this box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. But it's not helping me here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. I've marked those two boxes with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 5. These two boxes can be 5. But also this box can be a 2. And that box can be a 2. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as appear. 2 and a 5, 2 and 5. But this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 5. But we already have a 2 there. So it can be a 2. Should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4, but we already have a 3 there, so it can't be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Then 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And that box is connected with this box, should be also a 2. Okay, now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and the 4. And this box is connected with that box. We also 3 and the 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be, we have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 3 4 3 4 4 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 3. Let me mark those 4 and a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and a 3. Yeah. Well, this box can be a 4. And that box cannot be a 4 because we have a double 4 there and double 3 there. So one box left for the 4 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. One box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 3 and the 4. 3 and a 4. Well. Overlooked something. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and the 4. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. One box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 3. These two boxes can be 4. One box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Thank you, and we see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.